Understanding quiet on the front in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might have puzzled you: quiet on the front. This expression, rich in history and meaning, is used in various contexts. So, if you've ever stumbled upon it and wondered what it truly means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, quiet on the front, originally comes from a military context. Specifically, it refers to periods of calm or reduced activity along the front lines of a battlefield, where opposing forces face each other. This expression dates back to times when warfare involved clearly defined fronts, such as trenches in World War I. When it was quiet on the front, it meant that there was little to no fighting happening, offering soldiers a temporary respite from the horrors of war. Today, quiet on the front has transcended its military origins and is used more broadly in everyday language. It can signify a lack of news or activity in a particular area or field. For example, if someone says, "It's been quiet on the legal front," they mean there haven't been any significant developments or news in legal matters concerning them or their interests. This phrase can also be used metaphorically to express a period of calm or stability in one's life or a specific aspect of it, like work, family, or personal projects. Saying, "It's quiet on the work front," might mean there are no new challenges or changes happening at one's job. Now that you understand its origins and meanings, let's look at how to incorporate quiet on the front into your everyday English. Describing a lack of news or developments. There's been nothing new lately. It's pretty quiet on the home front. Talking about work or projects. After finishing the big project last month, it's been quiet on the work front. Discussing personal life. Ever since moving to the new city, it's been quiet on the social front. But I'm hoping to meet new people soon. Quiet on the front is a versatile phrase with a rich history. Whether you're describing a lack of activity in a particular area of your life or simply enjoying a peaceful period, this expression can add depth and color to your English conversations. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.